Beauty trends come and go, and with each trend comes dire consequences. From allergic reactions to bacterial infections, eyelash extensions might be one of the riskiest enhancement options. In this two-part primetime news special report, we explore the process and some of the dangers.
From wigs and weaves to plastic surgery, there's no telling the lengths people will go to enhance their beauty. Like lipstick, it appears long eyelashes are now a must-have. Extensions are supposed to be a semi-permanent way to beautify natural lashes. And while a degree isn't needed, it doesn't mean that the procedure is easy to perform. In fact, it requires some skill.
You do it from behind. When you do it at the front, you don't get the beauty, you don't get that kick like your real eyelash.
This is Panga, a beauty technician with over 19 years experience operating from the streets of Matthews Lane in downtown Kingston. With eyelash extensions, problems don't usually result from sharp tweezers. Instead, it's the glue which is used to bond the lashes in place.
Well, this is the professional glue. This is the one. Here it is, the mega old individual eyelash glue. Yes, this is the professional. Once before, when we just started doing eyelash out here, we usually use the air glue, but we realized it's not good.
They contain ingredients that may cause irritation and allergic reactions. Ingredients like formaldehyde used to preserve dead bodies. And as we also found out, allergies can also emerge from the type of extensions used. Manny is a certified eyelash extension technician. He operates a studio in Manor Park, St. Andrew.
I mainly use silk. The synthetic lashes are more bristle-like. Silk lashes, they are way softer. Mink lashes, they are actually coming from the animal, the real mink lashes. Persons are out there saying that they're using mink lashes, not necessarily real mink lashes. It's always safer to use the silk lashes, seeing that you don't know who's allergic to what.
He says he uses hypoallergenic eyelash glue. We observed the unlabeled bottle and asked about the name.
I never disclosed that. KFC never disclosed their recipe.
We asked both technicians if there was ever a time a client had an allergic reaction to any of the glue they used.
No, actually never. I've never had that problem, never.
But Manny, on the other hand...
Yes, that has happened before. Nothing that a little Visine A couldn't clear up. Yeah, just a little redness.
They both also stressed the importance of cleanliness.
The bed that the clients go on has to be cleaned every time a client gets up. The tools are also sanitized and clean.
Well, I cleanse my stuff. I cleaned everything after. I buy my alcohol, or I use my Savlon with a little warm water.
Join us tomorrow when we consult with ophthalmologist Dr. Hugh Vaughn to find out the risks involved with eyelash extensions.